Welcome to the channel where we explore the future of renewable energy. Today we'll talk about the solar and storage landscape in Europe and how to leverage these trends to maximize your impact. This image highlights key areas for engineers and investors: technology breakthroughs, decarbonization commitments, and market opportunities. The solar energy sector is undergoing a dynamic evolution, with innovations that increase competitiveness and reduce investment risks. This image details advances such as solid-state batteries, photovoltaic efficiency improvements, and flow technologies. Solid-state batteries offer higher energy density and longer lifetimes, while advanced photovoltaic cells increase generation and reduce costs. Projects integrating these technologies are achieving greater cost-effectiveness and less dependence on government incentives. The implementation of these innovations positions projects as leaders in sustainability and competitiveness. This image depicts a summary of the EU's ambitious decarbonization targets for 2030 and 2050, driving demand for PV plus BESS solutions. Meeting these targets requires further integration of renewables and storage systems to manage generation variability. The image illustrates the growth of solar and wind generation, highlighting the need for a more flexible grid. Projects that combine generation and storage will be better positioned to participate in ancillary services markets and stabilize the grid. A project in Spain achieved a 20% increase in revenues by combining energy arbitrage with frequency regulation. The image shows how competition in the European market is driving innovation and operational efficiency. Hybrid solutions and DC coupling are differentiating projects in saturated markets. The image shows long-term trends such as green hydrogen and the electrification of mobility. Flexibility and scalability will be key to adapting to emerging applications and maximizing ROI in a changing market. Investing in projects that integrate these trends will ensure their relevance beyond 2030. The image summarizes the impact of these trends on the sector, highlighting opportunities in green finance and innovative markets. The energy transition in Europe presents an ecosystem full of opportunities, from the electrification of transportation to the expansion of VPPs. Projects designed to adapt to regulatory and technological changes will have a significant competitive advantage. Today we explored the most relevant trends and perspectives for solar and storage in Europe, highlighting key opportunities for engineers and investors. If you are ready to implement these strategies and maximize the success of your projects, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultation. Let's design the future of renewable energy together.